Go to Open Dental and click on last third button from the top right corner, Recalls. Select Date Range. Now select Provider from the list. Here I am choosing for all. Hit Search Patients. List of all the patients within date range will appear. You can also check the total count. Patients can be filtered using sub-filters. Here I am choosing for this particular filter in order to get the list of all patients associated with this filter. Hit Select All button to choose all the patients. Now select the type. Choose the template from the list. Click to preview the template. Here I am selecting a single patient to send this recall due to. In this pop-up, you can again click to preview the template and the recipients. Then, click on OK to send this template to all the selected patients. Thanks for watching.